Hi, my name is Ryan with SunForge, proud manufacturer of Genasun and Blue Sky Energy solar charge controllers. Today, we're going to be talking about and unboxing the Genasun GVB-8 boost charge controllers, which are available both in standard and waterproof versions. All Genasun controllers provide maximum power point tracking, or MPPT, ensuring that optimal power is harvested from your solar array. The GVB-8s come with a standard factory 5-year warranty and are nearly RFI silent. The most interesting feature about the GVB-8s is that they're designed to increase or boost a panel or raise output voltage in order to charge a battery with a nominally higher voltage. The minimum input voltage to the GVB-8s is 5.0 volts, which ensures that all power, even in the most suboptimal conditions, is harvested from your solar array. Let's take a look at what's inside. On the outside of the box, we can see the model number, the manufacture date, and the serial number. In this case, we can see it's appropriate for a 48-volt lead-acid battery. Inside we find the charge controller, a very nice sticker, and of course, the manual. The fully potted waterproof GVB-8 is IP68 rated. It includes an inline fuse and 16 gauge wires for both the PV input and the battery output. All GVB-8 charge controllers are CE certified. The non-waterproof version has a terminal block which can accommodate up to 10 gauge wires, is IP40 rated, as well as having UL C1D2 certification, allowing it to be utilized in most hazardous environments. The color manuals are well thought out. The non-waterproof version even includes the recommendation for drip loops just to help prevent water ingress. The bicolor LED will indicate the charge status, input current, and all relevant details. The specifications for your particular model are also listed quite clearly. The GVB-8 charge controllers are exceptionally lightweight and small. Their lack of a heatsink or fan is testament to their electrical efficiency of 96 to 99%. The GVB-8s have a minimal standby consumption of 5 to 7 milliamps. They also have a feature that allows them to provide a trickle charge to a battery even if the minimum battery voltage of 9.5 volts is not available. This feature is particularly useful in lithium applications where a battery's BMS may have disconnected all the loads due to high depth of discharge. The trickle charge should eventually allow the battery to become out of protection mode, allowing the charge controller once again to resume optimal output. The acceptable operating range for these charge controllers is -40 to 85 degrees Celsius or -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's talk a little bit on how to choose the correct solar panel or array for your particular model. When choosing the correct solar panel or array for a GVB-8 charge controller, the first step is to reference your model. You can see that we have charge controllers for lead-acid batteries ranging from 12 to 48 volt nominal, as well as various lithium configurations including lithium iron phosphate and lithium ion batteries, which are most commonly used for the electric bicycles. The two input parameters that need to be abided by on the GVB-8 charge controllers are the input voltage at maximum power, or the VMP, as well as the input current at maximum power, or the IMP. You can see here that we're unboxing the GVB-8 PB48V charge controllers utilized for charging a 48 volt nominal lead-acid battery. And the max recommended input voltage under load, or VMP, is 43 volts. You can also see that the maximum input current is 8 amps. But there is a footnote that said we are comfortable with up to 9 amps IMP input current for all GVB-8 charge controllers. Lastly, I'd like you to notice that the minimum input voltage is 5 volts. This allows the controllers to charge even when the sun angle is bad, when the panels are partially shaded, or perhaps when there's low solar irradiance, such as early in the day or late in the evening. Let's say you're trying to pair either of these GVB-8 PB48V charge controllers designed to charge a 48 volt nominal lead acid battery with a solar panel or solar panels. And let's say we take this 160 watt panel specifications as an example. You'll notice that this panel's IMP is 8.69 amps and its VMP is 18.4 volts. This panel is completely acceptable as they're underneath the values we went over earlier for this particular charge controller. In fact, you could actually wire 2 of these panels in series because if you double their VMP, it is still under our maximum value. Now we understand that panel specifications and panel terminologies can be a little confusing. They don't always use the same terms that I'm referencing in this video. It could be rated voltage, rated current, output voltage, output current, voltage Pmax, current Pmax, etc. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoyed the video.